Okay, so let's solve the next previous year question of the operating system. So here the question is, there are two processes P1 and P2, and they are using critical flag as a variable to the following. This is the routine, okay, to follow the mutual exclusion. Okay, so the critical flag is initialized to false, okay, and this is the program over here. So the question is asking, there are two statements given over here. This one is and the second one. Okay, so the first statement is P1 and P2 can access the critical region concurrently. Is it possible for the P1 and P2 to access this critical section concurrently? And second is the deadlock. So let's decode the first statement. Okay, so consider P1 enters the function and no one's in the critical section, so it sets the it checks critical flag is false, enters the section. Before executing this critical flag equals true, the preemption occurs, and the P2 enters into the this if statement, and it's now both are into the if statement. Okay, so both will set the critical flag equals true, both will access the critical region. Okay, so is it possible? Yes, it is possible for the both processes to access the critical region concurrently. So the first statement is true, and let's decode the second statement. Whether it may lead to deadlock or not. When does the deadlock occur? Let me ask you, when does the deadlock occur? Deadlock occurs when there is a possibility that one process is waiting for another process to complete, and vice versa, right? So here it's not the possibility of deadlock. There is no possibility of deadlock to occur. Why? Because see, one process enters into the critical section, it is executing completely, okay, and every time it is executing, it is setting the flag true, and again it is setting the flag false. So there is no possibility of deadlock to occur. So the C option is right. Thank you.